Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my vlog. So yan guys, kamusta kayo? So yun nga na ulit nakapag-upload. Kasi nga yan guys, alam niyo naman nagre-review and malapit ng aking exam guys. Malapit na guys, isang linggo na lang at puro review talaga ako. So yun. Kaya di rin masyadong nakapag-vlog. Focus muna ako sa review ko. Yan guys, kamusta kayo? Yan guys, for today's video guys is birthday ni ang ating Kuya JM. So yan. And yun nga, ang ganap lang namin is gagala. Then yun nga, kasama naman kayo sa aming sa aming sa kanyang birthday ganap today. So yan. Ano lang, ayun. Naisipan namin na pumunta na lang sa Ayala Mall Manila Bay kasi dapat MOA is nakakasawa na kasi ilang beses na kami pumunta ng MOA. So first time lang din nila doon pupunta ako, second time. So yun, doon namin napiling pumunta sa Ayala Mall Manila Bay. So yung guys, samahan na kami na magala-gala doon. Ayan guys, hindi ko na papatagalin to guys. Tara na, punta tayo sa Ayala Mall Manila Bay at celebrate natin ang birthday ng ating Kuya JM. Tara na. So yan guys, welcome back natin namin sa Ayala Mall Manila Bay. So samahan niyo kami gumala dito and puntahan ko yung ibang mga dito. Dala sa loob ng mall, tara na. So yan guys, nandito kami sa loob ng Ayala Mall Manila Bay. Sobrang init.
Hi guys!
Yes. So ako second time ko dito, then sila is first time. Then guys, samahan niyo kami sa gala namin kung saan kami makakarating dito sa loob kasi first time nila, din ako second time. Then hindi ko naman masyado pang abisado to. Sasamahan nyo lang kami gumala dito ngayon sa Ayala Mall Manila Bay. Diyan lang kayo. So yun guys, naglakad-lakad lang muna kami, then kakain na kami. Hinantay lang namin si Jay magpalit sa ng damit. Then parang lang din siya, natural na mall. So yun, parang mega mall ang datingan, ganun. Pero ewan ko, may part pa kaming hindi nagagala. Comment down below nyo kung saan yung part na magandang galaan dito sa Ayala Mall. So dyan lang kayo guys, kakain lang kami.
Moments later.
So yun guys, nandito kami sa ngayon, Marugani Udon. So yun, para may iba naman yung namin, pagkain. So yun guys, waiting na lang kami sa order nila Ate CJ. So yun. Then yun nga, masarap talaga dito sa Marugani Udon. So yan guys, yan lang kakain muna kami saglit.
One eternity later.
So yun guys, welcome back. So yun guys, katapos lang namin kumain. So, ang next ano namin yan is sa time zone. Kasi gusto na rin nilang paglaro. So, samahan nyo lang kami guys, dyan lang kayo.
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on
This
display.
is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can.
So yun guys, welcome back. So yun guys, nakita nyo naman ang aming birthday ganap para sa birthday ni Kuya JM. So yun, so happy and kahit paano is simple lang. Yun talaga ang niya lang, ang request, wala nang iba is yun ang gala lang. Then yun nga, maglaro. So ganun lang kasimple yung trip ni Kuya JM, pero binilag ko pa din para alam mo yun, may upload ako. And yun nga, magkakumustahan tayo and makita nyo din yung loob ng Ayala Mall Manila Bay sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta dyan. Yun guys, hanggang dito na naman ang aking video vlog. So yun nga, sana guys makapasa ako sa aking parating na exam. So para makapag-vlog tayo sa South Korea. At ano yan, mailibot ko rin kayo doon pag may pagkakataon. Bigay talaga ni Lord yung pagkakataon. So yan guys, pray nyo ako makapasa. So yan guys, after nyo mapanood ang video na to, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like at subscribe para mas update sa aking mga parating na vlog. So yun guys, hanggang dito mga babay and stay safe. So yun guys, sobrang init and kakaulan lang. Sana tuloy-tuloy ng ulan pero sana sakto lang. So yun guys, yun lang. So hanggang dito lang muna guys, bye bye and stay safe.